everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'll be sharing a layout I created with a couple of new products from our July release. I'll be using the graphic brushstrokes as well as the pen sketched flowers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create my background, and to do this I'm going to use one of the stamps from the Brushstrokes set. And I'm just going to ink this stamp up with different colors, spray it with a little bit of water, and then just apply this randomly all over the page. I'm going to use different colors just to create this kind of brushstroke effect. Now what the water does is it gives the ink a kind of watercolor look. And I'm stamping it several times just to get different shades of the colors. Now that I have finished the colorful background, I'm going to add a couple of sentiments from the graphic brushstroke set. I'm just going to stamp these 3 times on the layout to create a visual triangle, and the black will add detail, interest, and also break up that color. I'm going to do the same with a couple of stamps from the pen sketched flowers, just adding some black ink and adding that to the background. So now that I have finished the colorful background, I'm going to add my photo. Unfortunately, I thought it was a bit too large, so all I did was trim it down, and then I popped it onto some white smooth cardstock to create a little border around the edge. Now this covered up one of those stamped sentiments, so all I had to do was stamp it again just a little bit beneath it. Now once that is done, I'm going to add a couple of embellishments, some enamel dots, maybe a couple of butterflies, and a little epoxy wood button. That's all for this layout. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any comments or any questions, just pop them in the comment section. And for more information on all the products used, please visit the Altenew scrapbook blog. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you very soon with another layout or card for Altenew. Bye bye!